Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and in this video I will show you that how you can create a plot on AutoCAD if it has irregular boundaries. So for example, if one of the surveyors has gone to a site and he has come up with this plan. Now as you can see that the layout plan looks like this. It looks like a perfect rectangle, but turns out that the dimensions are not same. Now on paper, the surveyor or civil engineer has to write has to make the layout on a piece of paper and he has to insert all the dimensions. But whenever a draftsman gets this plan, he has to figure out that how to plot this into the AutoCAD so that all the boundaries will match up. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to line command and you have to create a line. Now, for example, over here, as you can see that it is 200 from here and 300 from here. It can be anything, 200 feet, 300 feet, anything. So I will create a line, straight line of 200 feet. The second line, which should be 300, as you can see that I will click on the line again and click here and make 300 feet. Now, once I make two lines, as over here 200 and 300, remaining two lines are of 100 and 400. Now, I cannot make a line of 100 here because if I do 100 over here, so there isn't any chance that this line will turn out to be 400. For example, if I click over here and if I check the dimensions of this line, you can see that over here that this isn't 400, but it is 282. Now to resolve this issue, you have to first make these two lines. As you can see over here, after I have done it, and then you have to go to the circle command. Now when you click on the circle command, you have to put over here and click over here, and you have to insert the radius of that circle command. Okay, so here it's 100 feet, so I will write as 100 feet clicked. Similarly, I will click on circle command again and click over here and put on the radius and write the radius as 400. Now, as you can see that wherever these two lines meet, I have to join these two lines. Now here there are 2 points where these two lines meet, so I cannot make a line directly from here because it won't be the correct layout. I will click over the line and click over this point because now this point is the point which I need. Now if I click over here and click over here and check the dimensions, it should be 400. As you can see that I click over here and check, you can see that it is 400 feet, which is correct one. So you delete this one and make another line, click over here and join this one. Now delete these two circles. Now after creating this one, you can check the dimensions over here. Click over here, click over here, click over here, and click over here. Now again, you have to click over here. And then you have to click over here. Now all four dimensions have been mentioned. You can increase the dimension height by clicking over here and changing the height of the text as 1 feet, or maybe even better, you tried it as 2 feet. Now you have to do the same with the remaining dimensions. Click over here, select all, and write as 2 feet. Similarly, go over here, double click over here, and click over here and write as 2 feet. Now another thing you have to do is, yes, all the dimensions have been mentioned. Click over here, click over here, click over here. Okay. Now you can see that this is 200 feet, this is 100 feet, this is 400 feet, and this is 300 feet. So this is how you can make this sketch in an AutoCAD if the dimensions are not in line with the sketch. Now on paper, the surveyor has made a sketch like this one. Now you have easily made this sketch in AutoCAD like this one. So that's how you do it, and this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you found this video informative, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.